Alright, I got a aircraft over here that's hovering. I spot it hovering. Now it's moving. But when I arrived at my house, it wasn't doing this. It was literally hovering. Hovering. Over here by the tree. Now it's moving. You know, because they think I'm too stupid or something. Okay. But this thing here that's blinking, literally, it was over here by the tree. It was hovering. Yeah, isn't that something? Means they got the technology, people. And they're fucking with you. See, right now it's pretending to be one of them aerial Mason planes. Yeah, I saw your ass. You're hovering over a fucking tree. Give me a break.